The ATM kept my bank card.
What happened?
The machine displayed an error after I entered my PIN. I'd like to find out how to get my card back or replace it.
Let's deal with it now.
Good idea. Okay, I think I'm ready.
Do you want me to come with you?
Yes, please. All right. Let's do this.
Hi. How can I help you?
The ATM kept my bank card. The machine displayed an error after I entered my PIN.
Which ATM did you use?
The one just outside this branch.
Do you have identification with you?
Yes, I have my ID.
Thanks. That helps.
Okay.
Everything okay so far?
Yeah. It's going better than I expected. Can I get the card back today?
The employee explains what is possible under the bank's card recovery process.
Okay, so I understand what I need to do.
Exactly. Emma needs to pay for groceries later but doesn't have another physical card.
Can I still use my account without the card?
The employee explains available account access options and what Emma should do next.
So that's another option?
Yes.
That sounds reasonable.
Okay, let's do that.
Sure. I'll take care of it.
Is there anything else I need to do?
I'll let you know if I need anything else. Emma understands the recovery or replacement process and secures her account.
So we're all set?
Yes, you're all set.
See? We figured it out.
Finally. Is there anything I should remember?
Follow the bank's official security steps promptly if a card is retained or lost.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
How do you feel now?
Much better. I actually used a lot of useful English today.
Real-life practice.
Exactly. Next time, I'll know what to say.
Let's review the key phrases. The first phrase appears, "The ATM kept my card." The second phrase appears, "The machine showed an error."
I have my ID with me.
Can I get the card back today?
What should I do next? Tell a bank employee the ATM kept your card. Excuse me, the ATM outside kept my card.
Ask what you should do next.
Would you know what to say if an ATM kept your card? Practice these phrases out loud.
See you next time.